Welcome to MakmoAcademy. In this video, we will learn about finding unknown in a polygon. So, how to find out the value of unknown in a polygon? We have discussed in the last video that how to find out the sum of interior angle of a polygon. So, if this is a four-sided figure, so first of all, we must know that the sum of all the interior angle must be equal to what? So, what shall I write? Sum of all the angles a plus 62 plus 78 plus 110. So the sum of all the angles equals to of a quadrilateral equals to 360. We all know this, but how? Sum of interior angle, the formula is n minus 2 multiplied by 180. We have discussed this in the last video. N is the number of side, so 4 minus 2 multiplied by 180. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 multiplied by 180 is equal to 360. So what shall we write over here? So sum of all the angle inside a quadrilateral, any four-sided figure, is equal to 360 degrees. So how to find out the value of unknown? We have to add all these values and subtract it on the other side. So let's add all of them. 62, 78 and 110. 8 plus 2 is 10. So 7 and 7, 14, 15. It's 250. So a plus 250 is equal to 360 degrees. And a is equal to 360 minus 250 degrees, which is equal to 110 degrees. So the size of unknown angle is equal to 110 degrees. We have already discussed that how to find out the sum of interior angle in the previous videos. So we have to add all the angle and put it equal to 360 because it's a four-sided figure. But if it would be five-sided figure, so first of all we have to find out sum of interior angle of five-sided figure, means pentagon, and then keep it equal to that sum of interior angle. So we have to be very cautious about this thing. Alright guys, now we need to find out the value of unknown in this particular figure. So it's C and it's 2C, 152, 38 and 101. How many sides are there? 5 sides are there. So first of all we must know the sum of interior angle of a five-sided figure, means pentagon. So 5 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. So 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 multiplied by 180 and answer is 540 degrees. So you can do it in this way. 3 zeros are 0, 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 540. So in this way we would be able to know that the sum of all the interior angle is equal to 540. So how to write it? C plus 2C. We can shuffle the names. I am writing C and C, 2C together. Then plus 152 plus 38 and plus 101 is equal to 540 degrees. Now in the next step we will add all these values, all these 1, 2 and 3 constant numbers together. So let's add them. 152, 101 and 38. So 10 and 11, 9 and it's 2, 291. And 2C plus C is 3C. 3C plus 291 is equal to 540 degrees. So 3C is equal to 540 minus 291. So now it's a time to subtract. So 540 minus 291. So it would become 3. 10 minus 1 is 9 and 13 minus 9 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So it's 249. So 3C is equal to 249. Now C is equal to 249 divided by 3. So 3 4s, 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24 and 3 3s are 9. So 83. So the size of angle C is equal to 83 degrees. So I hope you have understood that we have first of all find the sum of interior angle of a five-sided figure, which is equal to 540 of any five-sided figure. First of all we need to find out the sum of interior angle, then add all the interior angle and keep it equal to 540, which is the sum of interior angle of pentagon. Then just simplify, do the simple maths, subtract 291 over there, and then we have just divided and we got the answer. Alright guys, now we are having another problem. Find the sum of interior angle of a regular polygon with 20 sides. Another part of the same question. Hence find the size of each interior angle of a regular polygon with 20 sides. First of all, what is regular polygon? A regular polygon is a polygon having all sides equal in length and all interior angles are also same. Equal interior angle and equal length of sides. That angle is called regular polygon. So find the sum of interior angle of a polygon with 20 sides. So it's very simple. So sum of interior angle is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180. We will do the same thing. So 20 minus 2 multiplied by 180, which is equal to 18 multiplied by 180. So 18 multiplied by 180 is 3240. It would be 3240 degrees. So the sum of interior angle is equal to 3240 degree of a 20-sided polygon. But we need to this was part A. Find the sum of interior angle of a regular polygon. Sum of interior angle of a regular polygon with 20 sides. This is the answer of first part. Hence find the size of each interior angle. All interior angle are equal in size, and how many sides are there? There are 20 sides are there. So what we will do? Size of each interior angle. So each interior angle would, how to find out? The sum of interior angle divided by number of sides, because it has 20 sides and all sides are equal in length. So 1 0 cancels out with 1 0. 2 1s are 2, 1 will go carry, 2 6s are 12 and 2 2s are 4. So 162 is the size of each interior angle of a 20-sided polygon. So a polygon with 20 sides having all interior angles, all 20 interior angle equal to 162 degrees. So this is the meaning of this question. Alright guys, now we are having another problem. Find the number of sides. Means we need to find out number of sides of a regular polygon. If each exterior angle of the polygon is 45. Now what is given? Exterior angle is given. We know exterior angle and we need to find out number of sides. Number of sides is unknown. So how to find out number of sides when only exterior angle is given? So just one thing which is very important, sum of exterior angles of any polygon, whether it would be any number of side of any polygon, is equals to 360 degrees. How would it equal to 360 degree? So let's make a triangle with exterior angle. So this is one of the exterior angle, this is the second exterior angle, and this is the third exterior angle. If we merge them together on a single point, let's suppose I am bringing this angle over here. So this is the common side. So this angle is originating from this side and ending at this point, ending at this side. So what does it mean? If I make a parallel line to this, so it means that this angle is ending at this point and this angle is starting from this side and ending at the same line, baseline. So now you can see, and if I erase the rest of the figure, so they are making angles on a single point, and angles on a single point is making a circle which is equal to 360 degree. Now let's take another example with a square. So exterior angle is 90, 90, 90, 90. So sum of all four 90s is equal to 360 degree. And if we bring them together on a single point, so they would also form angles at a point. So what does it mean? Sum of exterior angle of any polygon. The sum of exterior angle of any polygon is equal to 360 degree. So now if we want to find out number of sides of a polygon, number of sides of a polygon is equal to 360 divided by each exterior angle. Divided by each exterior angle. So this would be the formula. So 360 divided by each exterior angle is of 45 degrees. So we are dividing by 45. So 5 9s are 45, 5 7s are 35, 1 carry, 5 2s are, then 9 1s are, 9 8s are. So 8 sides are there. So it's octagon. So octagon has exterior angles. Each exterior angle is equal to 45 degrees. And if we want to find out the size of each interior angle, so keep this thing in your mind. For example, let's construct an octagon. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So each exterior angle is of 45 degree. So exterior angle and interior angle are always on a straight line. So the relationship between exterior angle and interior angle is always supplementary angle. So if we want, is always supplementary. They are the angles on a straight line, exterior angle and interior angle. So if we want to find out the size of interior angle of any polygon, so we need to subtract exterior angle from 180. And if we know the interior angle, so we will again subtract interior angle from 180. We will be able to find out the size of exterior angle. So when we subtract 45 from 180, we will get 135. So 135 is the size of each exterior angle of a of an octagon, of a regular octagon. We are talking about regular octagon. Regular means each interior angle would be of 135 degree in case of regular octagon. Now let's take another example. If each exterior angle is equal to 120 degrees, so how to find out the number of sides? So again the formula will remain same. Number of sides is equal to 360 divided by 120. So 360 divided by 120 will gives us 3. So 12 ones are 12, 3s are 36. So there would be 13 sides, means it's a triangle. So in a triangle, regular polygon, triangle is also a regular polygon, a basic polygon we have already discussed in the first video. So if it is a regular polygon, regular means equilateral triangle. So each so there would so how many sides are there? There would be 3 sides, and each exterior angle would be of 120 degree. 120, 120, 120. So this is the meaning of this question. This is very practical question. Now guys, let's look at this question. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon if each interior angle. Now each interior angle of the polygon is given. Now as we have discussed that sum of all the exterior angle, sum of exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. And it's a regular polygon, so there are 2 ways to find out. So either first of all find out each exterior angle by subtracting 162 from 180, because they are supplementary angle. Interior angle and exterior angle both are the angles on a straight line. So each exterior angle is equal to 180 minus 162, which is equal to 18 degree. Now we can find out number of sides in the same way as we have found it out in the previous question. Number of sides is equal to 360 divided by each exterior angle. So sorry, 18. It's 18 degree. So 180 minus 162 is 18 degree. So 18 degree. 18 ones are 18, 18 twos are 36, 0 as it is. So there would be 20 sides are there in that polygon. So there is another way to find out by because it's a regular polygon, so n minus 2. So this is the formula to find out another way, method 2. This is method 2. You can find out directly because interior angle is given n minus 2 multiplied by 180 divided by n. Because it's a regular polygon, so we can divide by n, which is equal to each interior angle which is given is equal to 162. Then n minus 2 will remain as it is, multiplied by 180 is equal to 162n. This n is dividing over here, it will go over there and will multiply. Now we will open up this bracket, 180n, and it would become 180 times 2 is minus 360 is equal to 162n. Now we are bringing this 162 over here and taking them it over there. 180n plus 162n is equal to 360. So let's add them together. So sorry, it's positive over here, so it will come over here and it will get subtracted. So 18n is equal to 360. N is equal to 360 divided by 18. So the final answer again is 20 degrees. So I think this is the most shortcut method. So if each interior angle is given, so first of all find out each exterior angle by subtracting from 180, because each interior and exterior angle are always on a straight line. And when you know each exterior angle, then you can only apply this property that 360 divided by each exterior angle, because 360 is the sum of exterior angle of any polygon. So 360 divided by each exterior angle of that polygon, that will give you the number of sides of that polygon. Alright guys, now we are having this problem. Let's read and understand the problem very attentively. First of all, by finding the size of each exterior angle of a regular polygon with 36 sides, we know one formula: number of sides is equal to 360 divided by each exterior angle, isn't it? Each exterior angle which we have applied in the last question. Now we will use the same formula. Number of sides is equal to 360 divided by each exterior angle. Now with 36 sides, number of sides is given in this question. 360 is already, we know 360 means 360, but each exterior angle is unknown. So if we take each exterior angle over there and number of sides over here, so we will make each exterior angle the subject of the equation. So the formula would become each exterior angle is equal to 360 degrees divided by number of sides. So if we want to find out each exterior angle, we will divide number of sides by 360. So this will gives us each exterior angle. So it means that 360 degrees divided by number of sides, 36 sides are there, so it means that 10 degree. So the size of each exterior angle of a 36 sided polygon is 10 degrees. So what they are asking, by finding the size of each exterior angle, we have found out the size of each exterior angle. Calculate the size of each interior angle. It's very simple now. Each interior angle, as we know that each exterior and interior angle are supplementary. Each interior angle is equal to 180 degrees minus 10 degree. So the size of each interior angle would be 170 degrees. So this is how, because each interior and each exterior angle are always on a straight line. They are adjacent angles. So I hope you have understood all the concept which has been taught. And if you have any query, you can write us in the comment, and do practice of these concepts, and do not forget to like and subscribe our YouTube platform and channel, and do support us. Thank you for your support. Keep watching MakmoAcademy.